Aniket. Welcome to Gaming and Gardening at Home. Today we are gonna grow tomatoes. So first get your nice ripe tomato. Even an overripe is good. So before you plant your tomatoes, you should take one tomato and slice it. Slice it, and the middle part would have these small seeds here. These are the seeds. So if the perk when you plant a slice instead of seed is that the plant will be stronger. How, you ask? Because this organic matter, the flesh, would help. I'm gonna plant 2 to 3 slices, that's all, for my pot size. I don't know the exact dimensions of it, but an 18 by 9 is good enough. See, this tomato slices. Now, here, this is my pot. Potting mix is 25% compost, 75% coco peat, and 50% garden soil. This here is my regular soil that I use for my spices. So this is my seed starting mix. You can see it's like 25% soil and 50% mix of compost and coco peat. So first I'm going to take my slices and put them on top of the soil surface. Don't be shy while putting, because you're just developing the seedlings. The seedlings where you'll transplant elsewhere. This is my seed starting mix. It's quite good actually. When you add seed starting mix to the top of the soil, it actually helps. That's what I noticed, and that's what I'm doing. You can also just directly sorted seed starting mix or direct use soil. That'll have the root soil. Okay, after you kept your potting mix, give a nice seed to soil contact by slightly patting down the soil. Sorry, I am doing like this. You can use a bottle with holes or a spray canister. I just don't have them available with me right now, so I'm using the classic mug and hand method where you drop the water like in batches. Okay, after you water, again give it a nice pat, because the seeds will get lifted. If you just see some seeds falling off, just cover it with a bit more, okay? No problem. If you see anywhere them falling, just add a bit of soil, no problem. And 1 week, pause. So 1 week later, I'm showing you in my seedling tray. It'll sprout, and in a week and a half it'll grow this big. Pause. Tomato is an older tomato plant, but it is just like how a seedling is. I bought the seedling and planted it. So when the seedling is about more or less 10 to 12 inches, you can plant it in your main pot. I chose my 12 by 12 for this plant specifically. So in like 3 more months, this guy will start to flower. You can see here. He will start to flower and produce fruit. I'm going to show you another example. So this is one of my older examples. This guy gave me a lot of fruit this season. I know this guy's quite short for the nutrition he got, but this guy I got him from my farm with now fruits, and he did pretty successfully. If you ask me, he produced well than other seeds direct sown plants in my garden. So here you can see he will give you new leaves. But one quick tip: don't spray heavy neem oil on the plant if you have pests. It'll hurt the plant. See here? So don't use neem oil. It's quite hot if you ask me. It'll burn the plant alive. And another tip, while you're having tomatoes on the stem, make sure there are no leaves on that particular part of the stem. The leaves may be anywhere, but it should not be. And you can also cut down all these flowers if you want your plant to grow better and grow higher and taller and much more bushier, so it will produce more terrific fruit. Thank you. This is my urban gardening.